How's it going, everyone? This is Colin again, and welcome to my second podcast of immigration. This first podcast talked about legal immigration in the USA. Today, I'm bringing you why it is great to be an American citizen as part of my CIA project. Firstly, let's explore the idea of free enterprise. Economically, Americans have the freedom to pursue any career they want. Americans can attend free public schools and then have opportunities to gain more educational and experience in whatever dream they desire. Americans have the right of free enterprise, which is an economic system by which private business can operate in competition and basically free of state control. So that's basically saying that people can follow their own dreams here, where it's that with other countries they be forced to do it. They might be forced to do a certain job because of this and that. Versus here, you can follow whatever dream you want and you can still be successful. So that's what is making this country the greatest of all time. Traveling as a U.S. citizen and having a U.S. passport removes a lot of visa requirements, and the government will support them in foreign countries if needed. In addition, an American citizen does not need to prove their roots very often, as a person receives a social security number at birth in the United States for citizenship identification. Voting. Now, voting is a huge thing when it comes to America. Other countries don't get that kind of opportunity, whereas with here, you got some options. You got more than one option. You got like 2 or 3 options, so you're hitting the jackpot on this one. The Constitution and law of the United States document lawful rights in an American citizen of an American citizen. Citizens in many countries do not have voting rights, so there's a lot of countries that don't have a lot of voting rights or like freedom of speech because of either it's under dictatorship or it's under a monarchy. But I highly doubt it's happening right now. It's 2025. They have no way of having a voice in decision making, which affects them. But U.S. citizens do have a voice in that they can vote for representatives who have the same values and priorities. So there's a huge difference. And here you're allowed to voice whatever you feel like is in your heart. Versus with other countries, they like to keep you silent. I mean, it's not cool of them to do that. I don't know why they like to do stuff like that. I just don't find it good. I just don't find it right. It's most certainly not right at all. It's not fair to the people. Employment. Most jobs within government agencies require U.S. citizenship, so becoming eligible for federal job opportunities such as a police force, teaching, U.S. Postal Service, and other federal positions. Government support systems. U.S. citizens are eligible for certain federal financial assistance for education for basic needs such as food and shelter, including Social Security benefits, Medicare, and Medicaid. In conclusion, there is no other place to live that it is great as America. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next episode. Peace out, like and subscribe, and go USA.